Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy. Today we will study chapter 8 of English literature. The name of our chapter is The Selfish Giant. I hope, children, you have revised the video part 1 of this chapter very thoroughly. Good. Let's read out the next part of the story. Before proceeding further, children, first recall what we have studied in the previous part of the video. In the previous video of this chapter, we studied that once upon a time, there was a big ugly giant who was the owner of a beautiful garden. When the giant saw some children playing in his garden, he said the children to go away from his garden. Seeing and listening this, the children ran out of the garden. Children, let's read out the further part of the story. Many seasons passed. Summer was over and followed by winter. Again, many seasons passed. Summer was over and followed by winter. It means, children, seasons passed. Summer, then winter, then spring, then again summer, then winter, then spring. Like this, many seasons passed away. Spring came after winter. Which season comes after winter? Spring season. Now, this time, which season is going on in the story? Spring season is going on. With the coming of spring, there was fresh life and color everywhere. Again, with the coming of spring, there was fresh life and color everywhere. Now is the time for the spring, and spring has already arrived. So all the environment, the environment everywhere was fresh and colorful. Everything was looking fresh and beautiful, children. But in the giant's garden, it was snowing hard. But in the giant's garden, it was snowing hard. Children, but in the giant's garden, still it was winter. Which season? Winter season was there, and in this season, in winter season was going on in giant's garden. So in his garden, snow was there all around. Continuously snow was there. The giant felt cold and ill. Because of this, the giant felt cold. He was shivering like that, and he was also sick. And he was also feeling sick. Then one day the children found a small hole in the wall and entered the garden. Then one day the children found a small hole in the wall and entered the garden. One day children found a small hole. You can see in the picture also. From this hole, the children came inside the garden, and immediately the garden turned green. The flowers bloomed, the birds chirped, and the snow melted. Immediately the garden turned green, the flowers bloomed, the birds chirped, and the snow melted. Immediately, children, when the children entered the garden, At once, what happened? The trees and all the where in the garden, it start turning green. On the trees, leaves started coming out. Now the garden was turning into green. It means grass came out, flowers start flowers started blooming, birds started singing, and snow melted here means, and the snow started becoming liquid. Now the snow has started converting into water. The giant realized how selfish he had been. Now the giant felt that he was so selfish. Children, what is the meaning of selfish here? Can you tell me, children? What is the meaning of selfish? I am underlining this. What is the meaning of selfish, children? Children also. The meaning of selfish is a person who care about himself or herself only and not about others. A person who cares about himself or herself only, not about others. He came out to play with the children. When the giant saw that when the children entered his gardens has now been started turning green. By seeing this, the children, what did the children did? He came out to play with the children. But they ran away when they saw him. Who ran away? Who is referred as they here? Children. Who is referred as they here? Children. Seeing the big giant, children ran away from there. That it means children ran out of the garden quickly. However, then also one small boy could not run away. There was one small boy who was not able to run away. He stood crying in one corner. He stood crying in one corner. This little boy was crying in one corner. The giant gently picked up the boy and put him on a tree. The giant gently picked up the boy and put him on a tree. What did the giant, seeing the small boy crying, the giant very softly, gently here means children, softly. The giant softly picked up the child and made him sit on a branch of a, put him here means made him sit on a branch of a tree. The tree became green and flowers sprang out. The tree became green and flowers sprang out. When this small boy sat on this branch of the tree, what happened? Now, then this tree started turning green. It means leaves started coming out. Leaves started coming out on this tree. And flowers also started blooming. Flowers also started blooming, children. Do you know who was this little boy? This little boy was Jesus Christ. Who was this little boy? This little boy was Jesus Christ. He told the giant that just as the giant had shown him love and kindness, he would also help the giant to go to heaven. He told the giant that just as the giant had shown him love and kindness, he would also help the giant to go to heaven. That this giant was very polite to Jesus Christ. So Jesus Christ, this boy, Jesus Christ, told the giant that he has shown love and his politeness, his kindness towards him. Towards whom? Towards Jesus Christ. So, this boy, Jesus Christ, will also help him. Him here is the giant, will also help the giant to go to heaven. To go to heaven. What is the meaning of heaven here? What is the meaning of heaven here, children? Heaven here means kingdom of God. Heaven here means kingdom of God or paradise. In other words, you can say paradise. From that day, the children came every day to the garden to play with the giant. From that day, the children came every day to the garden to play with the giant. After that, all the children who used to come before, they started coming back. They started coming to the garden every day to play with the giant. The giant never felt cold and ill after that. The giant never felt cold and ill after that. The giant never felt sick and cold after that. Basically, this story has been written by Oscar Wilde. I hope, children, you all have understood this story well. Now, after reading this story, after understanding this story, can you tell what you have understood from this story? It means this story tells us that we should always be polite and show our kindness to everyone, whether a human being, whether an animal, etc. We should always be kind. So revise this video thoroughly, children. Thank you.